So this one is a little different. It's a really big figure 8. So what we've been doing is just a bunch of left turns, a bunch of right turns. Now we're gonna mix it up by doing basically a left turn and then a right turn and a left turn out. So we're having to switch both times. So now it's not just that continuous turn like you said it was easy. Now it's gonna be that switch to the right, switch to the left. So we don't have the stops anymore because I think you're doing really good on the stops. So I put the cones where they're supposed to go over there. Typically that's an exit for different designs on this. So like down there, that's a different design where you exit over there. But since we're just exiting back here, so you're gonna do the drill, which is the bootlace. And you're gonna go through, do U-turn, go through, do U-turn. Let's see if we can do that 5 times. It should only take about 2 minutes because you're doing each one in like 20 seconds.
Okay.
Ready? Very good. I'm just watching you now. So really focus on that head turn, and you're having to turn now. Very good. Very good. Now go through it and then do a U-turn. 24 seconds. Much smoother, much smoother. There you go. See if you can give it a little more speed on this one. There you go. Good job turning the handlebars. Every time you turn the handlebars, look exactly where you're going. 21 seconds. All right. You want to do 2 more? So do 2 more, but now on these 2, on this part, after you pass, you can give it a little speed and then see if you can maintain the turn with that speed. So the goal is just basically maintaining speed, but you can give speed right after you pass that first cone.
Okay.
See if you could do that. Not a lot, but just a little bit more. There you go, now turn. And then give it a little bit right here and keep that arc going. There you go, now cut it. There it is. "20 seconds. That was 1 second faster. Imagine if we were competing and whoever lost had to buy the other person boots.
Okay. Okay.
So if you lost, you got to buy me a pair of boots. So that means you're trying to beat me. And I get 21 seconds. So your goal is at least 19. There you go. There you go. All right, so do a U-turn and come back. That was 19 seconds.
Hey, looks like I'm getting a new pair of Tacovas.
Maybe. I should probably try doing it and see if you can beat my time. All right, so you're good right here. So same thing, we're gonna practice shutting it off and getting off and all that stuff. So go ahead and get into neutral. And then there you go, do everything you need to do. Very good.
Scares me every time.
You're what?
It scares me every time.
Yeah. So we really only have one more to go, and then we have like a bonus one. So the whole point of these things, it's like, yeah, you're kind of doing it by yourself, but if I was hopping on the e-bike or my own motorcycle, you would go do it, and then when you do your U-turn, I would take off and do it, and we'd compare times and just kind of fun race, and it's like a competition.
I thought you were gonna do it.
You want me to do one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here we go. So I'll do the bootlace. So you got 19 seconds. So if I get under 19.437, you owe me a pair of Cody James or Tacovas boots?
Sure.
Sure, okay. So this is normally what it would be like if I brought my bike or you brought your bike. So this is the bootlace. "12 seconds. Okay. So if you did notice though, like just like when you're on the horse, I know you're like really telling it what to do.
Yeah.
Like I was really telling this thing what to do. Really leaning into it, looking where I want to go, not really worrying too much about the balance just because, I've ridden for a little bit longer. But slowly but surely, you're gonna be like, I could do that. And just try a little bit. And that head turn is that first try. Turning the handlebars, kind of leaning forward into it. A little bit of weight on the outside is the second and third try. And then, yeah, get a little speed too.
Okay.
On the areas you know you can give speed. Because I know like when you run towards that first barrel, you're running, but then you're slowing down to turn. Mm-hmm. Same thing here. It's like you're giving it some throttle, and then right when you get close to that cone, you're slowing it down to turn, and then you give it more throttle, slow down to turn. It's just this constant battle with that. Okay, so we're gonna do the ADOs. Since you owe me a pair of boots, I don't think I want another pair, so I won't race you on this one.